Introducing the Mahindra B6, a bold step into the future of mobility. This all-electric coupe SUV blends futuristic design, powerful performance, and advanced technology, all built on Mahindra's new INGLO platform. Design and dimension. B6 stands out with its sharp coupe SUV styling and sporty stance. It measures 4,371 mm long, 1,907 wide, and 1,627 tall, with a wheelbase of 2,775 mm on the outside. Signature C-shaped LED daytime running lights, flush door handles, a sleek split spoiler, and connected LED taillamps create a striking look. Completing the design are aero-optimized 19 or 20-inch alloy wheels, available in 5 exclusive colors. Powertrain and performance set low battery options power the B6, a 59 kWh pack, producing to 131 horsepower and a range of up to 556 kilometers, and a larger 79 kWh pack with 286 horsepower and up to 680 kilometers of range. Acceleration from 0 to 100 takes just 6.7 seconds, while real-world driving delivers around 449 kilometers on the bigger pack. Charging with AC charging, the 59 kWh battery takes around 6 to 8 hours, while the 79 kWh pack takes 8 to 12 hours, depending on charger capacity. For faster journeys, DC fast charging takes the battery from 20 to 80% in just about 20 minutes. Interior and technology inside. The B6 feels like the future. Twin 12.3-inch floating displays powered by Snapdragon 8000 to 195 and Mahindra's ME operating system set the stage. Ambient lighting, personalized soundscapes by A.R. Rahman, and themes like calm, cozy, and club enhance the driving mood. Premium features include an augmented reality head-up display, a panoramic sunroof with multicolor lighting, a Harman Kardon 16-speaker Dolby Atmos system, wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, Wi-Fi 5G, and over-the-air updates. For safety and convenience, it offers Level 2 Plus ADAS Auto Park Assist, a 360-degree camera, and 7 airbags. SafeTide Mahindra B6 is built to protect. Boasting a 5-star Bharat NCAP rating. It features an advanced driver monitoring system, ABS with EBD, electronic stability control, ISO FIX mounts, and a full suite of ADAS safety technologies. Variants and pricing in India. The B6 is available in 5 variants, priced between 18.9 and 26.9 lakh rupees ex-showroom. The mid-spec Pack 2 with the 79 kWh battery offers the best balance of performance and value. Special Edition. The B6 Batman Edition for collectors. Mahindra has created a limited Batman Edition with only 300 units worldwide. This exclusive model features satin black paint with golden accents, Batman insignias, 20-inch alloy wheels, a black and gold interior theme, unique startup animations, and numbered edition plates. Priced at around 27.8 lakh rupees, it's a true collector's piece. The Mahindra B6, bold, futuristic, and electric, a new icon for the roads ahead.